Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another BohemStyle. This is a monthly subscription. In case you're interested in this amazing box, I'm going to put a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put individual materials that I get in this box down there below in the description bar. Now keep in mind that sometimes not everything in this box is available to buy individually, so if you really do like what you see in the box, I just recommend that you get the box, okay? So this looks like our Christmas box, and sometimes there is a coupon code in here, so you might see, I don't know, me edit out the coupon code during the video, so, because I don't, usually it's a single use coupon, get what I'm saying? So, yeah, so I might cut out that part. Okay, now, let's open this up. And again, this is jewelry grade wax cotton cord. You can use this for jewelry, so don't throw it away. And it's a great length to make like a wrap bracelet if you want to. And here we have a little tag that's so cute. Okay, there's nothing in the back of the tag. And then, let's see. Okay. So there's a little note here. And it says, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Sorry, I have a cold, by the way. I am congested, so I'm trying to read this without sounding really bad. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. In the December BohemStyle box, you'll find everything you need to create 2 festive necklaces and a bracelet. From stunning Czech Clasp beads, these pieces will bring true holiday cheer and sparkle to your season. As a special gift, we've included a pair of stylish chained earrings to enhance your creations. Additionally, in January 2025, use the coupon code, and there's the code, for a 20% discount on orders over 40 at your store, www.craftica.com. This offer is valid January 1st to January 31st, 2025. We wish you warmth, comfort, health, endless inspiration. May your home be filled with harmony, and may creating jewelry bring you joy and satisfaction. With best wishes, Natalie, Anna, and Craftica team. That is really nice. Okay, and then we have right here our secret password. I'll open it so you guys can see what the project is without the password. Okay, so look at this. This is going to be an epic design. Yeah, it looks like a lot of work too. There's lots of wire work I see here in this one, and that is just so beautiful. It looks like something you would find like at the mall or something. And that second necklace there is also gorgeous. The earrings look amazing. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. Really pretty. Okay, now let's see. Oh my gosh. We have earring findings, and this is the one that's like a stud earring, but there's a little loop on it, so you could put beads on it, charm, whatever. Okay, so I'll set that here. And then we have these beads again. I've got these one time so far. Okay, so this is like a, I think I said it was like a twisted melon the last time I got it. Yeah. See the top there, and then it's twisted. It looks really cool. It's a nice bead. And I believe it's 8mm in size. Okay. And then, oh, we have these awesome, these are like diamond cut jump rings. I think there's 10mm. There's a lot there. We're going to be using a lot of those, as I saw in the picture. Okay, and then we have crimp beads in gold. We have bead string wire in gold. And then we have, oh wow, oh, they're not rondelles. I thought they were the rondelles, but in gold. These are seed beads. These are electroplated seed beads. Those are 6-0. And then we have 2 ball head pins. We have chain. Looks like, it's kind of to see because it's all bunched up. I think it's a Rolo or cable chain. Yeah. This is my favorite chain in all sizes. I feel like it's the most versatile chain there is because you could do so much with it, so many things. I've even used chain to bead weave with. Right? And then we have tiny 4mm jump rings. Really small. Oh my gosh, we have beads. Okay, I know what these are called. I do. And I gotta tell you, since I've been sick, my mind has been so bad. It's like a brain disease. I keep forgetting things. I know what these are called. What are they called? They make me think of a cloud. I've never seen them in clear, and this is probably the prettiest bead I have ever seen in clear, other than the clear button beads, clear and gold. Those are so beautiful. Look at that. Those are really gorgeous. And I do know what they're called. I do. I just cannot remember the name right now. Okay. This here. Oh, this is a button bead. Black and gold. And I have used these beads multiple times. In case you didn't know, I've bezeled them. I've used them in multiple projects over the years. Really pretty. Okay, and it looks like we have more button beads here, and it is matte clear, also called crystal, with gold wash. They're really fancy. Very beautiful beads. Okay, and then we have earring backs, gold. We have Lucerna bicones. So, I would have got more done if I didn't get sick. I have to currently film 3, 4, 5 videos right now, and 2 of them are tutorials. One is on a necklace and another one is on a ring. But the necklace I made a bead weaved pendant using these Lucerna bicones, so be on the lookout for that. It is a Christmas project, and it's a pendant, but you can also make it into earrings, and I know we get these Lucerna bicones all the time from all these different subscription boxes. And they don't have to be Lucerna bicones. You can also just do 6mm backcones, but it will be for a Christmas project as a Christmas star. And the second tutorial I'm doing is a ring for the Czech Beads exclusive box. Because I got so sick, and because of Thanksgiving, I wasn't able to film it. But I will be doing it hopefully tonight or maybe tomorrow. And my entire family is actually sick right now, and they are on round 2 of having this. Just when they start getting better, they got hit a second time. And I'm still on my first round, so hopefully I don't get hit a second time. This is the nicest extender chain. Why does it look so good? It's the shade of gold or something. I don't know. Oh, there's 2 of them. That's like a really nice extender chain. It looks like real gold color. Ugh. Okay. And then, oh, more jump rings. These are 8mm diamond cut jump rings. Do you guys remember the diamond cut aluminum rings that you could get out of like the gumball machines back in the day? That's what they make me think of. Here's a whole bunch of 6mm jump rings. And then we have 6mm melon beads. Okay, and then what's next? Oh, I think these are 5mm Druks. And this pendant that I am working on, that can also be earrings, I am making it with Christmas colors, but if you want to, you don't have to make it Christmassy at all. Just change the colors out and it will look, you know, like it's not a Christmas project. Okay, so then what's next? Oh my gosh. These are, they call them pyramid beads, but they have 3 sides. They're also known as half pinch beads because it's basically a pinch bead cut in half down the center. Okay. I like it when they have projects where they have a little bit of everything. One that just totally blew my socks off back in the day was the seahorse one. There was literally like most of the beads, there was like 2 and 4 amount of like most of the beads, and there were so many charms, and just the whole design was so incredible. So these are Czech seed beads. These are silver line gold, but they look like they're tenos to me. They kind of look large. Okay, and then beads. These are Aztec gold. I'll leave them in that baggie because I'm scared I'm gonna spill them. Whoa. What size is this? 12, 14? They're pretty big. Diamond cut jump rings again. They do open, by the way. It's kind of hard to see where the opening's at, but they do definitely open. The cut is right here. You can also put it up, you know, to light, and you'll see the light going through where your opening is at. And wow, there's more of these. Is this called rhombus? Maybe? The name? Or is it a cloud bead? Something strange. It's kind of a strange thing. Wow. So these kind of look great. Like they're crystal clear. But they almost look like a light, like smoky gray with gold wash. Oh, there's 2 more in the bag. Let's eat them, I think. Okay, and then what? Eyepins. And are these called snail beads? See these? They have stripes. I know they kind of don't look like snails, but I think that's what they were called on the website. No, it's beehive. That's it. It's a beehive bead. I think. It does kind of look like a beehive. It's kind of unusual. See the shape of it from here? Right? But from the side it has a beehive shape. Okay, and then we have wire guards. Holy moly, there's so much stuff. We're still going. No way. It still gets bigger. I don't think I've seen it this big yet. I can't tell you what that size is, but it's pretty big. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a lot. Oh, these are cool. It's an acid wash bead. It kind of has like a rectangle shape to it. Oh, wow. That's neat. I haven't seen the shape yet. And there's gold wash on it. Has a little bit of like glimmer to it. They're very pretty. Okay, and then, no way, more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these. So maybe this is 8, 10, 12, and I can't tell you that. This is the size of a nickel, I would say. Okay, and one more item. What is it? We have 8mm Czech fire polish beads and Aztec gold. Very beautiful. Okay, that's a lot. That's a whole lot of stuff. I'm going to be very busy. Alright? Stuff in there. That's it. Okay, this is epic. The picture was beautiful. I'll show you it again. Right here. See there's a whole bunch of eye pins here. Right, and I'll be connecting all of this together with jump rings. The next one looks like it's a stringing project. That one looks like it's stringing. And then I have those little earrings there. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this opening. Remember, I'm going to link the BohemStyle box down there below in the description bar. And I'm also going to try and link the individual materials you see here. But again, remember, not everything here is available for repurchase. You have to get the box in order to get some of these items in this box. Alright, so this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.